Hi guys, today me and George are going to be vlogging
I'm having pancakes.
our journey into Loughborough Light Switch On because we're going to go and listen to our sister in the choir, and then we're going to go out for dinner, and then we're going to watch the light switch in. So we thought we would vlog
So
that.
we're leaving soon. We got our shoes on and we're just waiting. We do a lot of waiting.
Waiting.
Come on, let's run. It's raining. Good.
Who's in the back?
Me and George.
Okay.
Ow!
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Whoa! You made that go up.
We're in the car park area now. We're just going to take Abby to Odeon because she's going to the choir. Let's beep it. Beep, beep, waiting for the lift. Say hello.
We'll do that challenge when you have to stick your face near the thing.
I don't think it's coming up. She's going downstairs. So then later on, when George is still waiting for the lift, I think goes on. Come. So then later on, we're gonna go and have dinner, and then we're gonna come back and see the lighting. I gotta go now because people are gonna start looking at me like I'm some weirdo. Okay, see you later. Now because me and George left each other, so I'm with my mum because he went off to do it with his dad. So now we're in Topshop, just shopping for clothes.
Hey guys, Abigail's about to go on stage. Probably live stream with Gem 106. Good luck to Abigail.
Help you from Shep? Alright, I was a bit worried then. Okay.
Right there, like.
You ready? I'm just waiting for the sound engineers just to give me the okay, and then we'll get you on. Welcome to 2015 Christmas Light Switch On, and I'm very proud, I'm very privileged to introduce these guys, St. Botolph's School Shep!
The one that's looking like
Hey guys, we're just in Boots looking at Christmas presents because we just watched Abby do her performance, and now we're just going to walk round. Ooh, Jack Wills. Ooh. Ta-da-da. Let's take that. Are you ready? Okay.
Oh my god, it's actually better. They've got proper spoon.
I'm getting the pink one. We're outfitting her now. Where are we?
What's the Julia?
Where are we?
The Julia.
It's just a type of pasta.
Amber Room's having some food.
Yeah, easily. You can see I've got light on.
Obsessed with his phone. Cold or not, I am having a cheese and tomato panini with a smoothie. What are you having?
I'm having a plain hot dog with hot chocolate.
You weirdo. And we're going to be ordering as soon as they come and get us. And then we'll show you what we got. We finished dinner and we're gonna go to the lighting.
I've still got my hot dog.
We haven't finished dinner. We all have. And Abby.
I've not.
No. Freya didn't like her, so now she's just
It's well spicy. I'll just eat
eating chips. Now we're just on our way to see the illuminations and it's getting very dark out here and cold.
Switching the lights on.
No, but it's not even illuminations, is it? Oh my god. It's the switch light on, not illuminations.
It's nearly December,
Light
babe.
switching, guys. The December day.
Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
Never began.
Shut up, not on the video.
I can't fly away out while I'm waiting for the lifeline in the silence of the sea. It changes every week.
And just to check before you get super massive, this guy thinks he could be in your band. Just looking at, I mean, coat-wise, take it all into consideration. What are your initial thoughts on that idea?
Do you know what? We had another mic there. He should have just jumped on stage.
I was keen. I mean, think of the business. I've got a radio show. You want to get on it? I'll let you come on it if I'm in the band.
Yeah,
That's how it works.
would you be happy with this though? Because these guys look, you know, cool.
It's a bit more
And
street.
you're-
I've got my socks.
Right.
Straight
Up
socks.
a little bit.
No way! Okay, no. Right.
He's
Got
it.
the note? Yeah.
What a pleasure. Thank you very much, gents. Well done. Great stuff. Lovely to see you. Best of luck with next year. These guys are going to be huge. Keep it up. All right.
Sorry.
Unbelievable.
Actually create the world's biggest selfie right now. Are you up for that, Loughborough? Okay, so have
Should
you
we do it
got
on my phone? Because Amy's phone is full of photos of boys. It's a nightmare.
boys and selfies? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to tweet this at Sam and Amy. Send us your pictures today as well. But if you want to see yourself and spot yourselves in the crowd, at Sam and Amy is our Twitter. So let's get in.
Is he going to work? Your hair looks
Oh,
lovely.
he's great.
You've done a good
Thanks,
job.
babe.
Okay, here we
Thanks,
go.
so we'll
Right,
turn
can we
around.
all see? Can we put your
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas!
Look at those, they get better every year. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, Loughborough. Oh. We're going to have another photo, guys. Can we have a bit of hand action from you?
Guys,
Yeah, the Christmas light's been switched on.
and we've done. Thanks for watching our vlog today, guys. Me and George, he's there. We should be back next week if we remember taking to do it. But we just thought we'd put this up because it was kind of a big day and it was something to do.
Leave a thumbs up
Subscribe.
and leave a comment about what we could do.